reviewing some chocolates. So I did a little bit of unboxing, but I'll show you what it is. So it's got, well, let me see what it's got. So this is a very different video than what we're used to, but I think that's fine because it's the holidays. So it's got Sonetto, Caramel Intenso, Opera, Copula, which is cup or spoon. So yeah, go check them out in the description, but we're gonna try them out. I made a Snapchat earlier, so I did get another package that I am doing a video on later, but I thought this was the chocolate box, and I was mistaken because it was not the chocolate box. So I'm gonna open this and we're gonna see. I don't know, I feel like I've seen these in stores, and like back in the day my parents used to like get each other chocolates, so I might have had some, but rip off the tags here, or rip off the tape. Ew. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, yeah, I was like, I can't smell anything, and it's like, yeah, there's a little packaging. So little notes. Gonna read this. The Art of Chocolate by Ferio. And then it's just got a bunch of different like menu stuff. See it, trying to get the light all nice. Hopefully, yeah, that's cool. So it shares exactly what each one does. So I guess I'll probably eat them first, and then we're gonna see what it says. So this is what it looks like. It was very good. I'm like a huge chocolate fan, or like a huge let's see. There's a good way to do this. Oh wait, I guess you can go like this. Okay, there's a good way to do this. But I'm a big caramel fan. I always go for the caramels. I don't really like milk chocolate that much, or the white chocolate, but I will eat it. Let's see what else we got. I'm interested in this one right here. So the caramel, we're gonna like skip over the caramel because I always have caramel. Go to like one of the, you can smell it, oh my gosh. I'm not gonna read you guys the full thing. But you guys can go down in the description, check it out. Let's see, hazelnut, I'm pretty sure this is the right one. That was good. That was really good. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go get some water so that like I can drain this down, because this is a lot of chocolate. This one I want to try is the Opera. So dark chocolate cocoa shavings on the top. Let's check this out. Show you guys the top. Look at that. Okay. It's got a weird like shape to it, but oh, there's even like a, you see that? I'm like, you see that? Okay. A little crunchy, a little bit more crunchy. I don't know. Let's keep on going. Let's go on to the Maestra. Italian coffee, creme, rich coffee blended with a layer of finely ground 100% Arabic beans. Let's try that one. Okay. Let's try this. I feel like this one's gonna be more coffee tasting, but let's taste test it. Okay, so that was pretty good. I drank that probably the second just because I like the taste of coffee. So I'd give that was pretty good. I hope it didn't have any like actual beans in it. Otherwise, that might affect how long I'm awake tonight, but That was pretty good. Okay, we got like 3-4 more. We got a lot more. I don't know if I'm going to share all of them in this video. We're not going to do the caramel in this video, just because I like caramel too much. And yeah, so we're going to try the rich milk chocolate. That one's going to be interesting. Or we can try the caramel intenso. I'm interested in that. Sweet. Yeah, so like the outside shell was super hard, and I wasn't expecting it to be that hard, but overall pretty good. I thought it was going to be a lot more like sweet, but it worked out. It works. It's really good, and a hint of sea salt. Yeah, I can definitely tell that there was sea salt in there. That was really good. Actually, the last one that we're gonna do is the white chocolate one, the one I said I wasn't looking forward to, which is this one, this guy right here. Okay, this is a lot of chocolate. This is a lot of chocolate. Okay, I usually don't eat a lot of chocolate, and I don't even like try and avoid chocolate that much. It's just, I don't know, I don't eat chocolate a lot of times, so, okay, that was pretty good. It was creamy. It's very sweet, which is, I don't know, I don't really like sweetness on things, but that one was pretty good. I was going to mention that I usually only eat white chocolate when it's like with something like cookies or something, but yeah, so that is it. I'm gonna put this all in here so that I don't eat it all in one sitting. So this is Farrio's. So this is Farrio's chocolates. Go check them out in the description. They were kind enough to send me it. And yeah, happy holidays, everybody. Really excited about this month's uploads that I'm going to be working on. So go check those out. Go subscribe to the channel and go like this video. Also, let me know if you are. Maybe we can do a poll or something on what kind of chocolate everybody likes. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.